What's up, fam? Welcome back to my channel. I'm actually kind of surprised that I am filming today's video. I had come to the decision that I was no longer going to continue this channel and, possibly start another one that was just crafts. I even made an entire video explaining my reasonings for it. And then I got all my subscription boxes. And number one, it just felt like unnatural not to box it on camera. Number two, I started thinking about it and I enjoy making these videos. It's the only time that I get to dress up like this and wear my wigs and go full glam. If I didn't do it for videos, I would do it maybe once or twice a year, when I go out, which is rare. But I've been dealing with a lot. I don't know if I should say it because I'm going to start crying. My cat of 15 years and my baby boy passed away. Hold on. Whenever I would be filming, he would always come in here and start meowing because he didn't like the attention to be on anything or anyone other than him. And I've been dealing with a lot of depression even before that. But I'll talk more a little bit about it at the end of the video if anyone's interested in hearing it. But today's video is going to be a Boxycharm unboxing for the month of November. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then keep on watching. Alright, I actually made it in time for choice this month. I guess I don't know if the theme is invite only or if they're talking about the beauty bash. Anyways, let's get into the products. Alright, the first product is this Glow on 5th Refresh and Reset Brightening Mud Mask. Dull, uneven skin has finally met its match. Brighten your skin's natural radiance by using the Ginger Mud Mask, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this is 100 grams and it retails for $30. I haven't heard of this brand before, but I love anything that says brightening in it, so I will consider using this even though I have a bazillion and one masks. Oh, the next product I'm so excited for. This was my choice item, and it is the Tracique Foundation Stick. A buildable foundation that helps to protect against the harmful effects of blue light. The weightless, cream-based formula glides on effortlessly for a medium finish. Alright, so this retails for $30 and it is 0.21 ounces. That's a little on the smaller end as far as foundation sticks go. I know my Hourglass foundation stick is 0.25. That's also a lot more expensive. Anyways, I use a foundation stick every day. I will use a foundation stick kind of in the center of my face, and then I will put some liquid foundation on the edges and blend it out, and I just love the effect that it gives. So what color did they give me? I don't know. Alright, let me open it up. So this is typical Tracique packaging, little magnetic crayon looking thing. So I guess the shade is called Crit Cloud. I don't know. Critique, I don't know. Oh, and it says I'm refillable. Very interesting. Okay. Wow, that looks really shiny. That looks nice. Let me see. Ooh, that goes on very nice. I definitely think that I can work with this color. Yeah, it's definitely a medium maybe a light to medium finish, but that doesn't really bother me because, like I said, I do mix it with a liquid foundation. Okay, is there anything on the other end? Let me see. Oh, there is a little sponge. I just never use the sponges that are on the end of their products. They're just not the best in my opinion. Okay. All right, next is this Seraphine Botanicals Primrose and Cream Lip and Cheek Cream Palette. Now, if my memory serves me right, we got a Seraphine Botanicals cream, like lip and blush cream palette not too long ago. Okay, so this has 3 shades. One is brown butter, one is rosy pink, and one is deep rose. And this retails for $42. I don't know how I'm gonna feel. They all look like pretty dark shades in my opinion. Here's what it looks like. Yeah, these are definitely way too dark for me. They are very pretty though, and I've really been into cream blushes and just cream products right now. But unfortunately, you are not for me. Okay. Next, we have this Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil. Okay. Infused with vitamin E, use alone, or is a perfect topper for lipsticks, blah, blah, blah. This retails for $18. So I have heard of Trust Fund Beauty, but I think the only thing I've tried from them is maybe nail polish. There might have been other things I've tried from them, but that's all I can think of off the top of my head. I do like lip oils and moisturizers, but I kind of have my favorites already, so I don't know. Ooh, it does have, you're probably not going to be able to see it, it has a very slight shimmer in there. Okay. And the last product is this AMNH Skincare Unicorn Dreams Body Butter. I actually made a whipped body butter before, but mine didn't come out as pretty as this one because I only have a handheld blender and you need the one with like 2 blenders, not just one. You know what I'm saying? I know that's a handheld blender too, but the blender I have wasn't sufficient. That smells good. I love the colors. Oh, I am really excited to try this. Scented with notes of pink cotton candy, this dreamy, it's body butter. Oh, what I made was whipped soap, but this is body butter. All right. Yes, this retails for $20. Let me try a little bit. So creamy. Oh, I almost didn't even want to touch it now. I ruined it. It's not so pretty anymore. Okay. I'm using my phone because my camera's not working right now. So give me a second and I'm going to find a calculator so I can calculate the total retail price of my Boxycharm base box. So the total retail value of the box was $140. I could have thought wrong, but I swore that Boxycharm claims that you get at least $150 worth of products in your Boxycharm base box. and then like $175 for Boxycharm Premium. I could be wrong though. If you know for sure, let me know in the comments below. But all right, let me reflect. I'm really excited about this foundation stick. I am excited about this body butter. Still contemplating this lip oil, and we'll see about the mask too. But overall, I think it's a good box. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Oh, and then the cheek palette, yeah, that'll be going in a giveaway. But yeah, so yeah, I was gonna talk about some things. So my cat dying was so unexpected. I had just got done taking him to the vet and back because he was diagnosed with hyperthyroidism a little over a year ago. And 2 years ago, he was 14 pounds. Right before he died, he was 8. So he was almost half the weight he was 2 years ago. I gave him the medication they prescribed me, but it was just not working. So my other 2 options were either surgery or radioactive iodine treatment. Now, cats have 2 thyroid glands, which I just learned after all this. And if they did do surgery and remove the thyroid gland that was affected, there's a chance that it could move to the other gland. But the radioactive iodine was supposed to cure it. There's 98% chance of it being cured. So I scheduled it with the Cat Thyroid Center. I had to have like full body x-rays, all these tests done, $700 worth of tests done. And then the radioactive iodine itself was $1,400. So I take him down there, and he had to be there for 2 days because they had to wait till the radioactive iodine was below a certain level before he could be exposed to me. And he came home, and I fed him, and then he was gone. So this whole time I'm thinking, oh, I'm gonna bring him home and he's gonna start to feel better and he's gonna start to gain some weight, because I was legit feeding him wet food every 2 hours. He would, no matter what, if I was sleepy, he would wake me up every 2 hours to be fed, and he was still just bones. And I was not expecting to lose him. I don't have any children. He was my child. He was my baby boy. And you know, a few weeks ago, now we're talking about YouTube. There was a period of a couple days where I was just getting all these hateful comments, and it was just really getting to me. I'm like, also the fact that, you know, my channel just hasn't been a success. I don't want to say it hasn't been a success, because if I've helped any of you, like that's a success to me. But you know, I look at other channels that started around the same time than me, and they're doing so much better. And I've been doing it for almost 4 years now. And I'm like, when do I say maybe this isn't my path? Maybe the universe is trying to tell me this isn't my path. Like, I had a video where the video was about how you can keep glue on, press on nails to last longer. And I had to use my phone to film, and so I had to like turn it down so you could see what I was doing with my hands and the nails and my fingers and everything. And I'm wearing a dress, low cut, because I tend to wear some low cut things, and a jean jacket. And this person left a comment like, you purposely angled your camera like that so we would see your breasts, and you must have a lot of insecurities if you're doing that. It's like, number one, when my camera is turned like that, I can't see what is being filmed. So I couldn't see that my boobs were in the shot, but I'm wearing a dress and a jacket. Number two, if I was trying to show my boobs off, I wouldn't be wearing a jacket. Number three, my audience is 100% female. So why would I intentionally want to be showing my boobs? And why is it offending you? We all have them. And it just, I don't know why it just bothered me so much. That plus just a combination of things. And, you know, some of you know, some of you may not know, I deal with chronic pain, and I also work full-time as a nurse. And it's like, after I'm done working my 3 12-hour shifts, night shifts, I might add 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., I'm completely exhausted and completely wiped out. I have no energy. I literally stay in bed for 3 days. And it's like chronic pain and depression kind of go hand in hand. I was actually reading a book about chronic pain. Hold on. So it's called, But God, wouldn't I be more useful to you if I were healthy? Chronic pain in the Christian life. But there's this one quote. In my pre-pain body, I could have never imagined how confusing it would be to live out a biblical call to work while still maintaining the rest that is needed to care for a chronic pain condition. Truthfully, chronic pain is exhausting. Life sucking, hit by a truck, unable to get out of bed, exhausting. The exhaustion of chronic pain is unlike the normal tiredness faced by healthy people with busy lives. The tiredness we face never goes away, no matter how much we sleep or how much we rest. We are so tired and in so much pain, but we live in a busy world that expects people to go, go, go. And the question of how much should I do is on constant play in our minds. Most of us do not have this aspect of chronic pain figured out, as evidenced by the surprising amount of guilt that plagues us when we are forced to stop. We feel guilty we are no longer able to work like we used to. Setbacks, relapses, and huge flares that last for weeks, months, or even years on end can result when those in chronic pain do not carefully monitor the amount of work, service, and active movement done in a given day or period of time. But that was kind of another aspect of me considering not filming anymore, because I have a minuscule amount of energy, and I feel like I'm putting so much work into it. And I mean, I get, you guys are what keep me going. I get back from you guys, but I don't know. I just have to question if it's worth it. But sorry to be talking about such depressing stuff. Alright guys, I'll see you next time.